Okay, this is a deep cleaning, more than deep cleaning. This is cleaning for health. The situation is there is a lot of things in the kitchen area. The person was sick and he couldn't do the errands and clean this house. This person was sick for a long period of time and we are here to help. So the first thing, we cannot wash the things here because I don't know how long it took. I don't know how long all the pots are here. So we are gonna, dame, vamos. The strategy is be careful, okay? Empieza por las cosas que, ajá, muy bien. We are gonna put everything inside black bags and we're gonna fill it with water, soap, and detergent and Clorox degreaser. And we're gonna let it sit and put it outside. Refrigerator, we have to use gloves. The refrigerator is really bad situation. Mold. Everything is in really bad shape. This is no way to live. This person needs help. We are here to do that. A lot of clothes on the floor that we are gonna put in another separate bag, and we're gonna suggest to take all the dirty clothes inside bags and then go to a main cone laundry and do the wash and folding. The bathroom, this mobile home has 2 bathrooms, is in really bad condition. I'm not scared at all because I'm used to do horror houses and really bad situation. There is mold there and we're gonna disinfect everything. Use a vapor steamer and we're gonna clean. A lot of organization and cleaning smells strong also in this house.
¿Dónde empiezo? A conectar este.
En el baño.
Okay. ¿Cuál es el baño?
We are gonna use an electrostatic sprayer to disinfect first. A lot of things that we have to declutter, throw away. In this room is nobody can live here, so that's the reason why the person is living the couch. A lot of trash, clothes. I already talked with the owner and he agreed that we can help and he's happy for that. All the clothes we're gonna put in trash bag and then go to the main cone laundry if the person agrees. He said yes. We are gonna do this project in 2 days. He already paid 1 day. Maybe after the first day he will say no, I don't need nothing more. Maybe that happened. The situation in this bathroom, there is a lot of garbage, dust. I don't want to open right now. Oh, let's see if we can open this. Little by little we're gonna record, but at least you have a main idea of the situation of this house. We are disinfecting first. Now that is better. It's empty. The outside much better. I'm gonna put the lights on. David did an amazing job cleaning inside the refrigerator. ¿Qué?
Que aquí en el centro no se puede porque es un ducto de aire.
Pero atrás, pues. O sea, antes del atrasito, ¿ok? Stephanie did an amazing job for the kitchen area. Looks much better. It looks amazing though.
Allá en la esquina.
We are rearrange things. We put everything, food in this container. We bought in the thrift shop this furniture. So he will have more space where to put all the things and be more organized.
Ahí está bien.
Sí, ahí.
We are using our vapor steamer. The oven, I didn't record that, but it was awful. It's clean. We didn't finish the bathroom yet, but the floor looks amazing. Clean. That's old, but it's clean. Everything is clean. The toilet is disinfected. It's old. He needs to buy another one. On the bottom part needs more scrubbing. We need more screwing on the side, but at least it's much better. We didn't finish yet. We're in the process of picking up many things and try to reorganize. So working little by little. The vapor steamer is on. She's dusting all the things. Now, let me see. You can walk at least here. So you can see now there is a space. Ten cuidado con el cloro, niño. He is cleaning this area. We didn't finish, so the toilet looks better. On the bottom there is some floor. I have to take a picture now. Excellent. It is in fact all the things that was dirty is already here clean. All the food is in this container. Poquito. ¿Tienes, hay luz acá?
Para. ¿Está?
Ujú. The same bathroom. Same. Okay. Everything is clean. We put the sheets to wash. New fan. Glass. Floor. Like we are in camping. Okay, zafacón. No, ahí no va, en la esquina del baño. Gracias.
No puedo encender acá.
En picnic, washing. Es una motora, creo. On the back of the car, we have a ramp. We took all the garbage. We are in the same complex where he lives, and everything is gonna be inside the trash compactor. If you need your house clean, just call us at 407-572-4118. A small or big job, hoarders, heavy duty, talent ground, everything pretty much. All the people have different needs, so just call me and we can arrange the service for you. We do a free in-home estimate. We disinfect and sanitize your house and organization too. Bye.